ॐ अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येनं परमानन्दं सद्गुरुं गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। We are taking the second stanza of chapter 10 Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavan says about his vibhuti and the yoga, and the result, the knowing exact etam vibhuti yogam cha mama yo veti tatvatah so avikampena yogena yujyate natra sansayah. एतान विभूतिं योगम च मम यः वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सः अकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते न अत्र संशयः। यः, that person, mama, mine, etan, these, vibhutim, it means the greatness of godly effect and great power, controllers of God. Cha, it means and. Yogam, it means the great power of transformation, yoga shakti. Tattvataha, by real form of existence, atma. Veti, it means knows. Sa, that person. Abhikampena, it means confidently, concretely stable. Yogena, convert into the me. Yujyate, it means transformate and being my existence. Atra, it means in this. Sansaya, doubt. No means not. That person knows me by the greatness of godly effects and the great power controllers. He knows my power of transformation in the real form. He knows all worlds in my play of Maya. I create everyone and I exist everywhere. He knows the Atma Jnana. In my Atma Jnana, that person got essential and very, very concrete stage in me, because no doubt, my dear Arjuna, he will be free from illusion of Maya. So the God existence, Lord Krishna is telling in the previous stanza about his vibhutis, and now he is telling about the result of the vibhutis. God is telling to Arjuna, my dear Arjuna, the God is, in all stanza I say that He is the only and only master and installation of all uncountable galaxies and the universes, but The God is telling that if anyone knows my vibhutis, then his doubts will be clear. Then if anyone say that he will become a Brahma, so he will say no. If anyone say to him, you will become Indra, then he will say no. That anyone say that you will become the Manu, that he will say no. That anyone say that you will become the Saptarishi, then he will say no, because he knows these are all the creation of the Sankalpa of Brahma. But if you want to liberate, if you want to know the Atma Jnana, if you want to submerge in the God, you will be go away from all these stages also, and you will submerge in the supreme presence in the God. That is the concrete, that is the concrete stable stage of the liberation in the God. It is very miraculous secret of this stanza. Generally person will describe this stanza that if anyone will know the Saptarishis, the 4 Kumara, the 14 Manus, and then he see my power and strength, that he will liberate. No. Because the person knows the 4 Kumara and 7 Rishis and 14 Manus and the even Brahma, all are unstable. They have the long time limit in comparison of the human body, but they are not the ultimately liberate person. They will be die and they will be born. Because the Brahma will die, and the 4 Kumaras and Saptarishis, they are the son of the Brahma and they will be going to the Brahma. So a wise person, a divinely wise person, he never have the desire to become even Brahma. He only want to submerge into the God forever, and this is the complete liberation. So the God is telling in this stanza, if a person veti, it means knows all these vibhutis, all these Parameshwarya vibhutis, he will be not create a desire to become these vibhuti, because he has the precious birth of human body. Human body is precious than all other bodies. Human body is precious than all other bodies, because human body is only the door of the liberation. Human body is only the door of the transformation into the God. So please never lose this chance, and never be greedy of any post in the universes, even the post of Brahma. Then other is very small. So the Brahma is immortal, not immortal. Brahma is also mortal. It has a time limit. He has a time limit. So in this stanza, the Lord Krishna, the master of all uncountable galaxies, is telling to you that please be careful. This is the very, very precious occasion when you come in the human body. The human body is the launching pad into the God existence. The human body is the great occasion and great chance to transform it into the God. And when you will transform it into the God, you will be out of all of the game of the Maya. Even the Brahma is the game of the Maya. Even the Saptarishi is the game of the Maya. Even the Sanat Kumar is the Manas Putra of the Brahma. So this is the miraculous secret in this stanza. Nobody knows this secret of stanza. Everybody will think that God is telling that this is my vibhuti. and when you see this vibhuti, you will be get enlightenment. But no, this vibhuti is also the play of the Maya. It may be the higher level of Maya, but ultimately it is Maya. So God is giving the message to Arjuna, never caught in the greediness or the incentive or the attraction to be the higher post in the Srishti. Only and only you put your aim into the submerge or transform it into the God. So my dear friend, this stanza meaning is great but so short. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are putting this video on YouTube. Please subscribe this video and please spread the teachings to other friends or seekers. It will be give you the great fruits of spirituality, and this meditation which we are teaching, that is the direct meditation of liberation, the real meditation and most precious meditation of Raj Vidya Param Guhyam. So dear friends, a very good news for you. In the Delhi on 1st August 2015, we are organizing a meditation camp. If you want to join that camp, we are welcoming you and giving you the invitation. Please connect to the Satyabodh Premanand or Vedantanand for the further information. Thank you very much.